Hello everyone, welcome to Canamrit for UGC Net. So today we'll be doing oligopoly market structure. So let's start with the concept. Oligopoly is a market structure which is dominated by few number of sellers who are actually dependent on each other and influence the price and the quantity sold. There are certain characteristics of oligopoly market structure. Number one, few dominate firms. कुछ ही होती हैं वो जो कि dominate करती हैं. They are interdependent on each other. Barriers to entry, कोई enter नहीं कर सकता and price is rigid. There is stability in price. Types of oligopoly. So number one is pure oligopoly where firms sell identical objects. एक जैसे products बेचते हैं. Differentiated oligopoly where firms sells differentiated products. Collusive oligopoly where firms form cartel जैसे OPEC. Non-collusive oligopoly where firms are independent of each other. So what is cartel? A group of firms that formally agree to coordinate price and output to maximize collective profits. जब बहुत सारे सेलर्स आपस में मिलके क्वांटिटी और प्राइसेस फिक्स कर लेते हैं और डोमिनेट करते हैं मार्केट को, उसे हम कार्टेल कहते हैं. व्हाट इज प्राइस लीडरशिप? एक फर्म प्राइस डिसाइड करती है, बाकी सब फॉलो करते हैं. दैट इज प्राइस लीडरशिप. व्हाट इज ग्राफ ऑफ ओलिगोपोली? ग्राफ ऑफ ओलिगोपोली इज किंग डिमांड कर्व. व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड? Here the prices are stable. If the firm raises the price, अगर कोई कंडीशन है जिसमें एक फर्म प्राइस राइज कर रहा है और दूसरा नहीं कर रहा है, then his demand will drop. जो ज़्यादा प्राइस करेगा उसकी डिमांड ड्रॉप कर जाएगी. सेकेंड कंडीशन, अगर एक फर्म प्राइस लो डाउन कर रहा है, अदर भी अपना प्राइस लोअर डाउन कर रहा है, then again he lowers down the price and so on the price war goes on. It leads to small gain in demand. So because of these all reasons, there is stability in price because there's so much of interdependence among the firms regarding price. तो stability रहती है price में in oligopoly market structure. So this was it. I hope you enjoy learning. Please do like, share and subscribe to Gyanamrit for UGC Net for more updates. Thank you.